Plane going over the roof. See how the air was lit up by the light from it. I have noisy, destructive noise coming into the house. When you go up the stairs, the bedroom's upstairs, and I was lying down, and that sound that is like on and off and very abrupt and very grating and very excessively loud, it just goes on and off. And so, you can't, and they knew that I was, of course they know where you are. See, all that sound is unnecessarily loud, even though the mobile won't be picking it up, but it's very loud to my ears. And they know when you're in a particular room because you're tracked, and so all these sounds are meant to completely disrupt you. It's a very on and off, very negative frequency vibration. It's meant to drive you insane. Even if it was, what some people might see as normal, it would be inconsiderately, unreasonably loud, and normal neighbours, normal people would complain about it and say you can't make that noise all day. But of course, the noisy neighbours like the noisy construction site because they don't think that it's too loud, or at least they won't acknowledge that to me. They probably complain about it to other people or other real humans, but that's all staged because they're actually part of it, because they don't do anything about it. But they do stop other things. They stop anything that is a benefit to a human or that delays anything, but anything that makes them look good or suppresses and disturbs a human is acceptable and desirable even, because they are part of it, because they're a different species. That's what they are. The actual vibration and sound is a deliberate military army operation, plane going over at the same time. It should be outside to show it, but I'm showing inside house sounds if they're picked up. The planes like the sound follows me wherever I go. The planes go over the roof of the house. The planes follow me on a trail all down to the shops. But if I walked many streets further over, those same planes change their course and follow me. Is that real? Is that accidental? Or is that deliberate human tracking? But it's not just tracking, of course, it's stalking by machines. And they are machine beings, and they are using machines against humanity. They're using technical devices, they're using technology to communicate, and they're using mechanical machinery to make excessive sound. They're using mechanical vehicles, trucks, planes to track and patrol and limit and deliberately suppress a human being. And they're only some human beings, but they're really all human beings, because it's only human beings that are being tracked and suppressed, because the rest are not human. Okay?